Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the same thing as last time, trying to play Undertale Yellow neutral route, but like with random sound effects. This time we're gonna be in Snowdin, of course, and gonna be able to finally see Martlet again because she is my favorite character. And yet again we have a lot of these. The reason why some of these are like halfway through is because I played them last time, but just gonna turn all these on and then open Undertale Yellow. Let's just open this first. Then, okay, I'm just gonna turn all these on. Play all these.
Yahoo!
It's gonna be fun.
Hamburger.
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier. Was that the bite of 87?
What the dog doing?
Okay, just making sure all these are playing. Yep. Now we can enter. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, we're in Snowdin now.
Hamburger.
Because hamburger. I agree. Oh. Because hamburger. My goodness. Okay, anyways. Yet again, neutral route. Big blue noises. I suck at this game. Hold up.
What the dog doing?
You know, I'm gonna run from you. I don't wanna fight you, bro. Oh. Why can I not run from you? Let me out of here. I don't wanna fight you. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, is that Martlet from Undertale Yellow? Oh, there she is! Love a
Hamburger.
hamburger. Celebrate the love her up as a check. Oh.
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier.
Oh, okay.
What the dog doing?
Wait. Oh, should have took it for a few uses at least. That's good enough for me. Stop being to your sword. Martlet, I love you. I love you, Martlet.
Hamburger.
Wow, the hamburger one is very frequent. Right as I click on it too. Man, okay. Some quality gameplay. Yahoo! We solved the puzzle! I agree, Mario. hamburger. Howdy! How are you holding up? Things aren't getting any easier, huh? It would be nice to walk through here without hassle. Guess that's not how the world works. That's sponsors for ya. Can never mind their own business. In any case, you're doing great. Keep it up, buddy. Yes. They're owners of Dilapidated Cabin. First, I'm very sorry that cabin is so dilapidated. Like, I don't know what happened. Oh. Oh, it was unfortunate. I don't know if I can continue after what just
What the
happened.
dog doing?
I'm not sure if I can continue after that. Please help me, Flowey. I'm not sure I can read the rest of that. That was like horrible. I don't know what time it is and don't care. Hamburger. Bye. Goodbye. Okay, then I'll... Should I scare you? No. You were not getting scared. Goodbye. Your loving Christ. I'm like, oh no. Okay, fine. What's this? A new customer. Damn, what am I? Nobody know, you know? Just the best darn salesman ever. What happened to Stanton? What did you do to Stanton? What did you do to him? What did you do to Stanton? What did you do to Stanton? I think it's every time. I think it's every time I like open up the menu or something, then it just does this. It's like horrible. Oh goodness. Okay, we don't need that. Goodbye. Hamburger. Anyways, let's continue. I don't care. No, you don't. Liquids. Nah. No liquids. Just give me the stuff, bro.
Was that the bite of 87?
Guys, was that the bite of 87? Mario, it's the hot pop, and Mario's like getting his mouth burned because it's too hot. Yahoo! I think Mario likes the lukewarm pop. Oh. I really thought this was right in front of you. Oh. Okay, fine, I didn't eat it. Oh, pop. Can I please leave? Where are you going? He did not walk away that quick.
Hamburger.
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier.
Huge Pikmin fan, by the way. don't care. Please leave. I never want to receive mail from you ever again. Goodbye. Hi, Flowey. Howdy! Say, I don't remember something so, colorful. I can't go to states without getting harassed around here. Hasn't anyone heard of Christmas Swiss? If someone can mail you to ask for, I don't see why we need them. Maybe let's go move on. Time's a wasting. Yep. Time's a wasting. Oh, I hate you. I don't want to talk to you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, would you look at that? I think this chump wants to pass. Swig, Toast, come over here. Yeah, boss. What's up, Manchurian? We are so fresh meat. Hey, you ain't getting nowhere, small fry. Yeah, not nowhere.
Hamburger.
Will you two put alone? Anyways. Anyways. Hamburger. The name's Refill. Refill. Oh, this kind of goes hard. Like, listen to this. I'm the boss of the world, no gang, shufflers, we run this town. I don't care. Whoa, no need to start a fight, let's be civil here. I don't care. Of sorts, yeah, ball. Good to know. Where did my sound effects go? Oh, they're still there. They're just... I feel like they're all just gonna go off at once, and I'm just, like... Oh my gosh. I feel like they're all just gonna go off at once. It's gonna be like a ritual awakening of just, I don't know. It's gonna be something. Oh my gosh. You're doing good, kid. Oh, I got that right. Like, the videos are playing, it just, like, is not going to... What? There is space here! Sorry, right.
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier.
Well, okay. Well, this is what I'm talking about. A perfect place for less distress. Well, not perfect, a bit crowded for my taste. At least that keeps things interesting. Okay.
Hamburger.
Not the one-note Megalovania. Hi! Oh, I stuff. Oh, I don't have any space. Hold up. Yahoo! Yahoo! Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hey. Mario went to the hot springs. They were too hot. He got burned again. Marlin! From Undertale Yellow! That's her! I love her. I should not be allowed to play this. Hold up. Why? It's not that hard. Oh goodness. It's not that hard. Louie.
Hamburger.
I clicked the switch, the pipe boom and the Louie, the pigment just fell into the river and the pigment has fallen into the river in Lego City.
Was that the bite of 87?
Yes. Yes, Markiplier. I'm on top of the wall. No, you're not. What is things gone? I don't like them. I want them gone. I have so much HP. Goodness. Hey. Hey. Okay. Oh my gosh, why do you have so much HP? Oh, come on, that's not good. Oh, come on. Wow, this game is horrible. This game is horrible, never mind. Oh my gosh. No! Goodbye. Box and just be like, yep. Come on, you can do it. Go! Be like, yep. Because why would I use a healing item? I'm not going to use a healing item. No! Yes! No! What? Why? Is this it? Is this it? Yes! Hey, we're almost out of here. I'm surprised the guard never saw you nearby, you know. The puzzle sure were impressive, that's for sure. Knowing that, I wouldn't worry if you were into them. Whatever happens, I wish you luck. Okay, we're not gonna fight Bartlett. I don't want to do the whole cutscene, bro. I'm gonna go back and get those coffee beans. The gun now smells delightful. Yes. No, I'm not going to hurt Martlet. That would be mean. I'm not going to do that. Martlet is very cool, but I think I'm gonna do it today.